Taking care of a pregnant cat is crucial for her health and the health of her kittens. First, feed her high-quality food, ideally a kitten formula, to give her those extra nutrients she needs. Next, create a quiet, comfortable space where she can feel safe to give birth. Regular vet checkups are essential to monitor her health throughout the pregnancy. Keep an eye out for signs of labor, like restlessness or contractions, so you know when she's about to deliver. During labor, stay close by to offer support, but avoid interfering unless absolutely necessary. After the kittens arrive, monitor both the mother and her little ones to ensure they're all healthy and thriving. Your attention and care make all the difference during this special time.